G'day, I'm just in the office here having some lunch and I've ordered a fishbowl salad. I get the crispy chicken and what I wanted to share is the interesting thing about this salad is I've had it probably 90-something% of the time for lunches over the past year, probably even a little bit more than a year. And in particular, one time Dad, who comes over and helps with the kids every now and again, he sort of noticed we're getting these salads for lunches and he's like, oh man, you're being ripped off. And a bit of context, he was a chef back in the day. And so he would know what a salad would take to put together. There's chicken in here, I get a bit of chili and some seaweed on the top too. So he was looking at that, and they cost about 23 bucks each. And he's sort of like, his mind is blown of why we would get this salad so many times. I say we because usually if I'm working from home, I'll grab one for my wife as well. From his lens, he's seeing just this exorbitant expense. And what I want to share with you is that there's so many benefits to me by getting this. And even when I'm working from home, we've got a fishbowl near home. And when I'm at the office like today, then I can order fishbowl to the office as well. So first, there's a handful of benefits, but the first one is it takes a decision-making process out of the day, because I get the exact same salad every single day. It might sound boring, but in itself, that is actually, and the second benefit is through having this salad every single day and having what I have for brekkie every single day, which is 3 eggs on 1 toast, I've actually lost a heap of weight over the past 12 to 18 months. There's been other stuff I've been doing, like training, but a big part of that is this simple salad every single day. And in terms of the price, where it's 23 bucks a day or for the lunch, the price of the outcome to me is actually, if I take into consideration that the kilos I've dropped, plus the time it saves me as well, because I might be in between meetings, even in between Zooms, and I'm like, oh crap, I need to eat. Cool, hit a few buttons and it's on its way. It just saves me a heap of time going to prep something myself, yeah, it has been sensational in terms of just the habit and that routine. I've got used to it, and the massive outcome that it's had from a health perspective, but also giving me energy to give back to the kids, my family, and also work as well. So what I want you to think about is, one view to take of a $23 salad is, my goodness, that's ridiculous. That's a rip-off. Maybe there might be perspectives where that's the case, but for me, this salad, this habit I've created, is worth so much more to me than 23 bucks a day. All right, I hope that helps and might start you thinking about things that you do in your day that you could replace, or for instance, get someone else to prepare something or do something in your business that might assist. All right, cheers.